Do you want to maximize the potential of your DJI Air 3 drone? It might be challenging to decide which drone accessories are worthwhile purchases with so many options available. Thankfully, we've put together a list of 5 crucial accessories that will make using your DJI Air 3 a breeze.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Yeteeth hard case. Anyone who owns a DJI Air 3 drone needs to have the Yeteeth hard case. This tough and stylish case is made to safeguard your drone and all of its accessories while in transit. The Yeteeth hard case will keep your drone safe and secure whether you're going on a weekend trip or traveling abroad. This sturdy case, which is made of high-quality materials, provides the best defense against impact, dust, and water. The drone, remote control, spare batteries, propellers, and other accessories are safely stored in its special foam insert. The foam is made to absorb shocks and shield your equipment from any harm. The Yeteeth hard case is not only amazingly convenient to use, but also extremely protective. Its lightweight construction and comfy handle make it simple to tote wherever you go. Your equipment will stay in place throughout delivery thanks to the case's safe latch clasp. On number 2, we have StartRC Propeller Holder. Do your propellers frequently tangle up or sustain damage when being transported? For your DJI Air 3 drone, go no further than the StartRC Propeller Holder. When it comes to keeping your propellers organized and safe, this accessory is a game changer. To hold your propellers securely in place, the StartRC Propeller Holder was created especially for this purpose. No matter where you take your propellers, you can be sure that they will remain in excellent working order thanks to their robust construction and tailored fit. The holder is constructed from durable materials that enable it to resist the stresses of travel. The StartRC Propeller Holder not only keeps your propellers safe, but it also keeps them close at hand. Your propellers won't need to be loose or found anymore, saving you time. With this holder, you can easily and quickly grab the propellers you require, allowing you to launch your drone faster. The StartRC Propeller Holder not only has practical benefits, but it also has a slick and fashionable design. It may be conveniently stored in your drone case or luggage because of its small size. In addition, it gives your drone equipment a polished and ordered appearance. On number 3, we have StartRC ND Filters. Having the right filters is crucial to capturing beautiful aerial footage with your DJI Air 3 drone. StartRC ND Filters can help with it. When it comes to enhancing the quality of your images and videos, these filters are a game changer. Neutral density filters, sometimes known as ND filters, are made to cut down on the quantity of light that enters the camera sensor. Especially in bright or high-contrast situations, this enables you to produce more balanced and cinematic photos. StartRC ND filters come in a variety of sizes, ranging from ND8 to ND64, so you can pick the ideal filter for the lighting you're shooting in. StartRC ND filters are distinguished by their superior design and engineering. These filters, which are made of high-grade optical glass, provide clear image clarity while lowering glare, reflections, and undesirable artifacts. As a result of their lightweight and robust construction, they are also extremely easy to install and remove. On number 5, we have DJI Low Noise Propeller. The DJI Low Noise Propeller is an essential component if you want to improve your DJI Air 3 drone and improve your flying capabilities. You will experience quieter and more enjoyable flying because of the propeller's special noise-canceling design. The DJI Low Noise Propellers are designed to deliver effective and reliable performance while generating the least amount of noise possible. They have better flying efficiency thanks to their aerodynamic shape, which results in longer flight periods and more battery life. In addition, you can fly your drone in noisier regions without disturbing the calm thanks to the lower noise level. The DJI Low Noise Propellers not only improve the flying experience, but they also uphold the high standards for which DJI is renowned. These propellers are constructed to endure the demands of repeated use and guarantee a consistent, smooth flying. They are made of tough materials. On number 5, we have StartRC Joystick Protector. When it comes to safeguarding one of your DJI Air 3 drone's most crucial parts, the StartRC Joystick Protect is a game changer. It's essential to protect the joystick from any damage or wear and tear because it's what lets you steer and pilot your drone through the air. The StartRC Joystick Protector is made of premium materials and is crafted to exactly fit over the joystick, adding an additional degree of security. This guard will shield the joystick from inadvertent knocks and bumps, even if you're carrying your drone in a bag or using it in difficult circumstances. A StartRC Joystick Protector not only keeps your joystick secure, but it also makes flying more enjoyable. The protector is expertly and carefully made to prevent getting in the way of the joystick's movement or response. Knowing that your controls will be responsive and precise during your flight will give you peace of mind. So these are some of the best accessories to buy. If you enjoyed our video, Leave a like and subscribe for future updates.